Hello. And first of all, welcome to the MSOL program. We're really thrilled to have you. Tonight is your first class, but I wanted to give you kind of like a little introduction to the MSOL program and where we're going from here. First of all, this program is a study of leadership. And so many programs offer the same way of looking at leadership. We don't. We look at leadership through the lens of self-leadership, and I've shared that with many of you. What we're going to be talking about as we go through this is your journey in leadership. It's important to remember that though we have these periods of time that we come together as a cohort, you are also going to be going on a journey all your own. As we explore who you are as a leader and what feels right to you, and get you to the point where you can gather all your learning in this program and bring it to bear on precisely who you are as a leader and where you want to go, where your potential is going to lead. It's daunting to start grad school, but it's not so daunting when you are doing this journey with others and you have a group, a cohort, and you're going to come to appreciate them. You also have me. Throughout this entire program, whether I'm your instructor or not, I am your program director and I am your advisor. I spend a great deal of time getting to know people and reaching out when I think maybe it might be something I can help you with. I want to urge you to share with me what your journey's like so far and continue to let me be the one that helps guide you. If you're satisfied with your job, which is incredible and wonderful, let me help you to realign yourself and choose that job again. If you're thinking that down the road you want to do something else, that's great too. Let's start building an awareness of you in terms of your career, your trajectory in that career, and if you're in the right place, right time. Jim Collins wrote a great book called Good to Great. And in Collins' book, he said, that what we really all seek to be is on the right bus and in the right seat. And that's really where brilliance occurs. So let me help you to find that if you don't have it. Also, you might want to go along and change careers, change industries. The best way is to start to get to know the people in your cohort. You're not all in the same field. You're not going in the same direction. But you're going to find that the more that you are exposed to the words of each other, the more you learn. We all learn from each other. There's not one single brain in these rooms. There are many, and that includes all of us. So I intend to learn from you, as well as hopefully I'll be able to help you along the way too. As you go through this program, never hesitate to ask questions. Questions are incredibly important. One of the things I often remark on is that leadership is based in curiosity. One of my favorite quotes is from Socrates, and he said, "Wisdom begins in wonder." Isn't that a great quote? So, wonder is where curiosity begins. Please feel free to ask any question. And you know that all of your questions, most likely, if you ask a question, someone near you is probably thinking the same thing. You're going to have the first opportunity. I've never done this with a cohort, and you guys are the first. I am going to be integrating the Enneagram, which is a personality tool, into each and every course that you have. It will be emphasizing who you are, but also how we use the Enneagram to know others, and how we use the Enneagram to help us to negotiate often tough things, trials that we have in any work we do, challenges that we face in a world. And that's just evidenced by being where we are right now and being in a pandemic. I'll talk more about this as we go along, but you should know that the pandemic being where it is, we're very cautious about coming back on campus. Though the first 2 weeks are not going to be on campus in your class, I am more than willing to bring us back on campus. But I want you to think about what campus means. It means the entire time you're in a class, you're 6 feet from everybody else and you have a mask on. It's hard to read people's faces. It's hard to understand some words. And it just can be daunting and tiring. I will give you the choice. And even if the largest group of you don't choose to go on campus, but a few do, we will be flexible and we will work with it. That's a thing about a pandemic, but also a thing about leadership. We must be prepared to be flexible and to pivot when we need to. The leadership journey that awaits you is one that is just filled with authenticity, transparency, intentionality, and an intense desire to help you find out who you are. You all have my cell phone. You all have ways to contact me, and I remain committed to your degree. I hope that you are as excited as I am for this journey, and I look forward to our meeting tonight. Thank you all so much. Take care and see you soon.